it up properly. So it's a beautiful day, guys. V's coming later. We're gonna work on the Honda. Right now I'm just getting everything ready, so pretty much just chopping off this T2 flange that they had welded on to the T3. We're gonna get some stuff done, maybe get the motor in the car today finally. It's just been a headache trying to find some time together, and it's like 2 o'clock, so on a Sunday evening should be great. So yep, and that happened. So we've done a lot. Look at that. We actually got a manifold now. It's not perfect, like I said. I grinded off a little bit too much on that side, but I'm thinking if I grind down this side as well, make it almost the same. Yeah, I just gotta clean up everything underneath so we can wheel the cherry picker in. I gotta move this motor and just bring all this over. And then we're gonna go for lunch, and we're gonna come and we're gonna drop this bad boy in. Finally have the motor back inside the car, and I can start, you know, fabbing up a downpipe, wastegate dump, intercooler piping, maybe even the intercooler and stuff like that. So today's gonna be a big day. She's ready, I'm ready. I'm just cleaning up as much as I can. Any little last bits, you know, before the motor goes in, and it's hard to clean, so I'm excited. She got food, so I'm gonna back this all up real quick. How you doing?
Stop it. It's about to like kill your ass.
You ain't gonna do shit.
Can you stop? It's so hot. Can you hold this?
I know you are. But the body's actually clean underneath. Jeez. Just takes time to wipe down all the gunk. So definitely was an accident, but still not that bad. Ain't that right, V? So we've been using a whole bunch of paper towels, some water, some soap. We've been rubbing it down, cleaning it, and yeah, that's it. It's time. We're finally gonna put the motor back in the Honda. Well, version 1. Ain't that right, babe?
Hopefully it's just the version 1.
It's version 1, then it's version 2.
Nope, just the one.
But the other one has the built like rods and pistons.
Why can't we just do it good the first time?
Because the first time's always gonna blow up.
Always gotta think negative, eh?
No, it's bad motor, bad crank. The block is bad. It's all
So
scored.
why can't we put everything good?
Because then I'll have bad stuff that I'm just gonna bring to the scrap and get peanuts for. Like this, we can put it in the car,
It's such a waste of time.
blow it up properly, and give it a
Properly?
good burial.
How can you blow up something properly?
Oh, you'll see.
Okay, let's show the motor. Not me.
Tell them what we just did.
We just cleaned half of the motor and then I raised it up with the cherry picker. Right?
We moved the alternator and power steering pump to that motor.
And we cleaned it up.
Yeah, we cleaned it and we cleaned the engine bay, you mean?
And also that.
Yeah, the engine bay is looking a lot better now that she helped me. We gave it a quick little buff.
Baby, oil, oil.
Alright guys, so we got it in. That mount is bad and that mount is really bad, but it's in, so that's an important thing. So how was that, babe?
It was interesting. It was a hassle at first.
Yeah. Yeah, because it was a lot easier to take out than it was to put in.
Definitely.
Because when we were taking it out, we were just like, okay, let's undo everything.
Yeah.
Putting it in, we had everything assembled.
And when we had to put it back, you literally had to go on top of it and like kick it and, you know.
So yeah, it's looking cleaner already. But it's not done yet. Right? We're keeping the power steering, right? Yeah.
Obviously.
And the wires and shit, that's like trial and error. It's gonna take a long time, so might as well try it myself. And then you've got
You
to
have to
help
do the
me.
exhaust.
Yeah, we gotta mount the turbo. I gotta do some custom work on the exhaust and that the flange that holds the turbo, right? Because it's all crooked. So I still gotta grind down a little bit. But I also noticed that it doesn't sit straight on the head, so I gotta straighten off the head a little bit, clean up some gunk that's on it, seal that, bolt it up. And once I do that, I can take the wastegate flange off, get the wastegate mounted, make a up pipe or a down pipe for it, mount the turbo, put like the intake here, I think maybe, I don't know. I don't even know where we're gonna put this or where the pipes are gonna go.
There's no room.
Alright guys, so I re-tapped these holes. I grinded it down quite a lot. It's almost flush now. Still needs like a little bit more here and a little bit on this side. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when the turbo's on it. Ta-da! Alright guys, that's the turbo finally mounted on it. So, wow. Pretty crazy. The drain's pretty close to each other, so boom, put the drain right into that. 45, small piece 45. I got the nipple, so I'll just go right up the tube, right into the back, the bottom of the wastegate. Spin it around, see if I go like that. And yeah. And it's actually fitting pretty decent, guys. So I think if I put the gasket on, throw some silicone, and I should be good to go. I re-tapped it, so I need to get the proper bolts for that. I need to do like all the other stuff, but not bad. Me and V got the whole motor in today. I'm so happy for that. Oh, and my buddy brought over his little dirt bike. He got it for free. It was not running right. The ignition switch was all broken up. He taped the two wires together, which was like pretty much shorting it out. So once I just taped them apart, done. Thing ran. It does leak gas though. The carb needs to be cleaned. So tomorrow he said he's gonna come over because the bike's already here. I have all the tools. He's just gonna come over. He's gonna do it over here. Yeah. So I'm happy. The Honda actually looks like we might be able to do a downpipe maybe by the end of the week. So yeah, this end of the week I'm trying to get this downpipe in, whole bunch of other stuff, and I gotta find a day or two to edit and throw you guys out some videos. So I have a lot of catching up to do. I just keep videotaping and I don't ever have time to edit. I have videos from a long time ago, from like when I first bought the Jetta that I still have to edit up. And we got a new Mac. So we got a new Mac. I'm actually very happy about it. It was a great find, and hopefully that will speed up the process of editing and it just solve all our issues that we had with the MacBook. So yeah guys, I'm very happy. Lots of good things are coming together. The truck might be sold soon. Oh, life's looking good. So I'm gonna end it at that. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, go to bed. It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30 maybe, so it was a good day. Anyways, don't forget, like, subscribe, do what you guys gotta do, you know. Comment what you guys want to see more of. I'm out here, we're working, things are going good. Have a good one, guys. Peace.